Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x and y if we have x plus y equals to 10 and xy is equals to 10, and we solve this problem for all the values of x and y. So here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2, and now here first we need to focus on equation number 1, and from equation number 1 we have here we move this x to the right hand side and it will be written as y is equals to this is 10 and this is positive x. When we move it into the right hand side it will becomes here negative x. So here we call this is our equation number 3, and further in the next step here we need equation number 2 here. Now we just our equation number 2 is implies that we put this value of y into the equation number 2 and it will be written as here we have xy, the value of y is 10 minus x is equals to this is our 10. And further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as here we need to multiply this x separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as this is 10x minus x times of x becomes here x square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step here we need more simplifications because you see here this is the quadratic equation in x variable, but this is not into the standard form. So here first we write this equation into the standard form. So that's why we move these two terms from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes here this is minus x square. When we move it into the right hand side it will becomes plus x square. This is plus 10x. When we move it into the right hand side it will becomes minus 10x, and this is plus 10, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and now you see here this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable into the standard form. So you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. Now first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 10, and c is equals to plus 10. So these are the coefficients of above equation, and here we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So after substituting these values it will be written as this is x is equals to minus b, the value of b is minus 10 plus minus square root of b square, b is minus 10 square minus 4 times of a is 1, c is 10, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplification, and it will be written as x is equals to this is minus times of minus becomes plus 10, and plus minus square root of this is minus 10 square, and minus 10 square becomes 100, minus this is 4 times of 10 becomes 40, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to this is 10 plus minus square root of 100 minus 40, and 100 minus 40 becomes here 60, and it is divided by 2. So that here we rewrite this equation as our x is equals to this is 10 plus minus we write this square root of 60 as 15 times 4. We know that 15 multiplied by 4 becomes here 60, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to break this square root sign separately on both of these values, and it will be written as 10 plus minus. Here we write this is square root of 4 into square root of 15, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step, we need to break this fraction, and we apply this 2 separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as 10 divided by 2 plus minus. Here we know that square root of 4 becomes 2 times of square root of 15 divided by 2. And further in the next step, you see here this is 2 times 5 becomes 10. This 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will get here our x is equals to 5 plus minus square root of 15. So these are the two values of x. And now here from these two values of x, we will get here the corresponding values of y. So that here first we need to copy down equation number 3. So that equation number 3 is implies that y is equals to 10 minus x. And here we write the positive value of x. It is 5 plus square root of 15, and in this side we will be right here the negative value of x, and it is 5 minus square root of 15. Okay, here we need to substitute these two values of x to the above equation, and our above equation is written as so when you put this value here, it will becomes y is equals to 10 minus x. The value of x in this case is 5 plus square root of 15. And further we need to multiply this negative sign both of these terms, and it will becomes here 10 minus 5 minus square root of 15. And we will get here 10 minus 5 becomes 5 minus square root of 15. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one. So this is our first solution of the given equation, and now here we need to find the second value of y corresponding to this value of x. So we put this value here, and it will becomes y is equals to 10 minus x. The value of x in this case is 5 minus square root of 5. So further we have this is 10, and we multiply this negative sign on both of these values, and it will becomes here 10 minus 5, and minus times minus becomes plus into square root of 15, and we will get here y is equals to 10 minus 5 becomes 5 plus square root of 15. So finally we have there are two solutions of the given equation, and these solutions are, the first solution set is 5 plus square root of 15, and the value of y is 5 minus square root of 15, and the second solution set is 5 minus square root of 15 into 5 plus square root of 15. So these are the two solution sets of the given equation which we get here. And now here in the next steps, we need to verify that is this value of x and y satisfied our given equation or not. So that for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement here. So we have these are the two equations, x plus y is equals to 10 and xy equals to 10. So here I can just verify the one solution, and I can just left the second solution for up to you. You can verify the second solution by yourself. Okay, so here in the first solution we choose the values of x and y are, the value of x is 5 plus square root of 5, and the value of y is 5 minus square root of 5. So these are the two values of x and y, and now here we need to substitute both of these two values to the above equation. First we put both of these values here. It will becomes, this is x plus y equals 10. The value of x is 5 plus square root of 15, and the value of y is 5 minus square root of 15 is equals to 10 or not. This is our verification. And you see here this is negative and positive term are gone, and we get here 5 plus 5 becomes 10 equals to 10. So this shows that the value of x is satisfied our first equation. The value of x and y is satisfied our first equation, and now here we satisfied our second equation. For this we put these two values here, and it will becomes 5 plus square root of 15 into 5 minus square root of 15 equals to 10. And here we use the nice algebraic formula and we write these terms as 5 square minus square root of 15 and its whole square is equals to 10. And here we have, this is the 5 square becomes 25 and this 2 and square root are gone, we get 15 is equals to 10. Because this is our claim, 25 minus 10, 15 becomes 10 equals to 10. So this shows that the values of x and y satisfy our given question statement. So this means that I hope so both of these two values of x and y are satisfied our given question statement, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.